All right, we have this k equal n+2 times n-2, and if you multiply that part out, you get k equals n squared minus 4. If you don't know how to, if you're not sure how I got that, email me and I'll show you how you multiplied it out. All right, k is a product of two primes, and I'm trying to figure out the value of k. I'm trying to figure out what this is. N's greater than 2. K is a product of two prime numbers. Okay. You know what? I don't think I am going to use this. I don't think I am going to use that form. So K is a product of two prime numbers. Well, let me see here. I've got K equals n+2 times n-2. If I let n be 5, n equals 5, I get K equals 7 times 5 minus 2 is 3. So yeah, there K is a product of two primes. Now, but what if I let n be 6? If I let n be 6, I get K equals 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. So there K is a product of two composite numbers, meaning that they're not prime. So clue 1 doesn't work. Sometimes it works based on what it is, and sometimes it doesn't. But that's not how you work a data sufficiency problem. It's got to work all the time. So that doesn't work independently. K is less than 100. Okay, K is less than 100. So that means n is greater than 2. That means n could be 3. N could be 3. And 3, because that's 3 plus 2 is 5, times 3 minus 2, which is 1. So that's less than 100. So n could be 4. N could be 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess I am kind of thinking about that form now, n squared minus 4, because they're saying that K is less than 100. So I want this to be less than 100. 8 squared minus 4 is less than 100. 9 squared minus 10 squared minus 4, 100 minus 4 is, but if you let n be 11, 11 squared is 121, and 121 minus 4 is not less than 100. So K is less than 100. You get all these choices here, but we don't know which is, we can't get just one value of K. All right, so now let's put them together. So n can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I look at clue 2, but that's not going to work because 5 is in here and 7's in here. And that's a product of two primes, but if you let n be 6, it's not a product of two primes, as we found above. So that doesn't work. So I tried both of them. I tried them independently. They didn't work. I just now put both of them together, and it still doesn't allow me to find a value of K. So if nothing works, the answer is E.